Today marks the 79th year of the Naga Independence Day, and as an observance over here at the Kehoi camp, the working committee of the Naga national political groups celebrated the 79th Nagaland Independence Day. Now, in a fiery address during his speech, as chief guest, N. Kitovi Zimomi, also the convener of the working committee of the NNPGs, accused the NICN-IM of obstructing the Naga solution and claimed that the framework agreement is shrouded in big secrecy, and also saying that only 1% of the NICN-IM knows what is in the framework agreement signed in 2015, whereas 99% of the competent leadership of the NICN have no clue what is in the framework agreement. He has also accused the rival faction of deliberately stalling the political solution for the Naga people while perpetuating violence and secrecy amongst themselves and the GOI, which he said that only just a few handful of the IM actually knows what is in the framework agreement signed in 2015. In a very big statement, the convener as well as Ato Kilonsar and Kitovi Zimomi said that if the IM is not ready for solution, they should directly say so. In fact, he has said that they have massacred, the word that is what he has used, massacred thousands of Naga people, and which has left women as widows and children as orphans. He has also said that the working committee or the NNPG specifically may be dangerous for the IM, the NICN-IM, but it is actually IM that is harmful for the people of Nagaland. So today is the 79th Independence Day of Nagaland, and it was observed here at the designated camp of the GPR and NICN Kehoi in Ulan district. Of course, in June of 2025, many other factions also joined hands with the NNPGs over here, specifically the Akato Chopi group, who was also present here. So it is like an historic 79 Independence Day as well. Let's have a look at today's program.
I praise Almighty Jehovah for preserving the Naga people and nation. His grace and mercy is sufficient for us. My heart remembers the pioneer of Naga national movement, the thousands of brave men and women from all corners of ancestral Naga homeland who have gone before us. May their offspring be blessed. We stand on their vision and goal faithfully till today. 14 August is an immortal date in the history of the Naga people. On this day in 1947, Naga people chose to live as their ancestors had from ancient times, undisturbed, unchained, as a people and nation, free from conqueror and tyrant. The Naga pioneers were convinced that neither the departing British, nor the newly formed independent India had the right to occupy and rule over them. I am thankful to Almighty God that the Naga people continue to uphold this spirit, although the map of the world has changed drastically since 1947. Much water has flown down the Dansu River in the last 7 decades, but Naga political movement has not lost its meaning and soul. Generation of Indian armies led by efficient commanders have shed much blood trying to capture our land. Many fell and went home lifeless. Wrapped in tricolor, yet it is a sad reality that our land is occupied and administered by Indians, and therefore the reason for prolonged political conflict followed by ceasefire and political negotiation. The fierce Naga warrior of the bygone days are long gone, lost and buried in the hills. Today, thousands of their sons and daughters, their grandsons and granddaughters are serving the Indian government. This is also a reality we must admit. Naga have evolved socially and politically. Nevertheless, every single Naga was and is a patriot, involved at one point or another, playing a role in securing our God-given land in so many different ways. Rising generations of Naga who will someday remember and renew their fathers, grandfathers, supreme sacrifices, death to a Naga patriot was and is a mentally prepared, necessary call even today, because the desire to defend the land of our forefathers, their history and identity for many is a life well lived. Today, I am aware that there are too many Naga political groups evoking alike scenes of bitterness, shame and hopelessness from our people. Sadly, under various factors and circumstances, different political groups have arrived. Only time will tell whether they succumb to the policies of various agencies and dissolution elements in Nagaland state for when and when ought to really find a solution to our Naga problem. Yet, despite their personal differences, all the political groups, save for few, are either in ceasefire or in similar status quo with the government of India, coordinating to secure an acceptable and honorable political solution on the basis of agreed position signed on 17 November 2017. Securing political solution for future Naga generation is our goal, and on this crucial historic matter, personal differences among us do not matter. This has been conveyed clearly to the government of India officially. All negotiation entities have successfully completed political negotiations with the government of India as on 31st October 2019. And therefore, philosophically, theory and at this hour is not really appropriate for the Naga people and the impending political solution. I hope and pray for God's wisdom to be upon our people, especially the tribal hosts, epic civil society, intellectuals, the village headmen on the ground, and church, and all practical thinking Nagas. We must rise above our differences. 3. Fear and intimidation and prepare a robust ground for an acceptable and honorable Indo-Naga political solution. Crucial situation, crucial moment there, beside my speech, I was reported as a political class lagan hoy. As the एकदम special दिन एक तासे नागा निमित्ते की कुरिके नाइसे आमाखान सब जानलेছে और इते आके जाबो निमित्ते आमाखान कन्फ्यूजन थाका उपरते एकता दुइता इनका কথা কব মন আছে 1988 NSN মাজতে গ্রুপ উলাকেনা नागा মাজতে मारा-मारी kata-kati kura chi lamba hoikena after 21 years 1988 bangse naga majate fiction larai kurikena 21 years te naga leaders khan pura naga intellectual khan pura naga morom kurikena thaka khan pura Naga national workers majote inika larai kuri ekta group majota mara-mari kuri thaka amakhan te chupchap thakile guilty hobo. We have to do something. Naga majote mara-mari stop kurbo lage goikena FNR Forum for Naga Reconciliation itu bunagena Reverend Dr. Wat Iyer Bra convener burgena ki kam kuru ahise 13 June 2009 te Isak Jishisu S.S. Kaplan Brigadier Shingya Taitin Junhi Covenant of Reconciliation Dosra manu matite Bangkok Thailand Chiang Mai Thailand Chiang Mai hi naga majote mara-mari nokrobo ite Isor laga mukte saikena Isor laga namte naga majote mara-mari kata-kati kuri thaka tu charbo de ite tu para tak joa din te ki hoise ite tu mara-mari nokurikena ama naga majote একজন মরম kuriken ekjon respect kuriken hat milakene jabo bile 2009 te Covenant of Reconciliation sign kurse itu pura base kuriken Declaration of Commitment Chiang Mai 6 23rd September 2009 te VS Atem, Zopra Vero, and Mr. Wang Ting, Taitin John Kurabi itu Covenant of Reconciliation to Mosbot Kurikana Jabo bile ekta agreement sign kurse. Itu pachata public affirmation December 8, 2009. Vikya Awomi from NSNIM, Zopra from FGN, C. Sinsong from G. Parent NSN. Taitin Junhi, ako a public affirmation sign kurse. Aro itu pichate joint appeal koikena October 3, 2010 te. Ako G. Parent NSN plus C. Sinsong FGN plus Zopra Vero, NSN IM plus Q Tuku. Aro Dr. Wat Iyer plus উইটনেছ কৰি কিনে জইণ্ট এপেল একটা এপেল কৰিছে আমাক মিলাই কিনে যাবলৈ হৈছে ভিতৰ নিমিত্তে কাম কৰা খান নাগা নিমিত্তে কাম কৰা খান আমাৰ গ্ৰুপ মাজতে এতিয়াতো আলাগ আলাগ নাই আমাৰ কামটো সব নাগা মানুহ আছে বাহিৰ ভোকাই আছে আমাক মিলাই কিনে যাব নিমিত্তে নাগা পাব্লিক সব প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰি দিবি দেই আৰু আমাৰ মাজতে একটা লাহা বিয়া দছৰাৰ লগত কৈ কিনে নবিৰাবি নাগা পাব্লিক বি সব এইটো আমাৰ নাগা মিলা লগলীয়া প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিবি বোলে জইণ্ট এপ্ৰিল এইটো অক্টোবৰ 3 তাৰিখতে চাইন কৰিছে এইটো পিছতে আকৌ মাৰ্চ 11 নেক্সট দিনতে 2010 ইউনিটি ইন পাৰপ'জ নাগা মানুহ মিলাবলৈতো কিবা মতলব একটাতো আছে এনেই মিলা লগা নহয় ইউনিটি ইন পাৰপ'জ তো একটা মতলব থাকে না নাগাটো মিলা আছে দেই বোলে আকৌ Vikia Awomi from NSN-IM, Pesho Lam from FGN, Merin Nukpu from GPRN NSN. इनका साइन करें और 6th बार तो होले September summit 18 September 2010 ये थे दिमाग उठे मुरुजा हुकातो नागा सब ही जानता है कि हुकातो नागा बोलते लोग रुके ना first time all people could come together face to face कहते एक ता September summit कोई के ना 18 September 2010 TH मोइबा retired Brigadier Shinya and Kitobi Jumoni ताई 3 जन पूरा एक ता agreement declaration sign करूँ दे इते तो आमाकन के कोले पे हाथ मिला के नहीं जाबो जोआ दिन लगा गलती तो एक जन ओपोर्टे न बिसारिबो एक जन लगा महिला तो न बिसारी थाकिबो इते तो केनका करी के ना मिला के ना आके जाबो इतो रास्ता बिसारिबो कोई के ना इतो 18 सेप्टेम्बर ता साइन करिसे इतो पेछाते के होले भी आमाकन चिंता ग्रुप ते तो होले मानुन एक जन 2 जन कथा के ना कलेक्टिव लीडर्स खान तो हदाय लोक करबो ना पारिबो इतो सब गवर्नमेंट लगा रिप्रेजेंट एक जन 2 जन कथा के ना ताई खान पूरा joint working group members kuri kena tai kan hi dangor khan nam te tai kan hi lok koribole dibo koi kena September 9 tarikh te Zopravero Sinsong VS Atem tai 3 jon pura sign korise joint working group apo joint working group on Naga reconciliation to joint working group kan pura Naga to mila lobo lage ke hole bi mila kina ake jabo lage koi kina tate bi Zopravero on behalf of FJN C Sinsong on behalf of GPRN NSN Retired General VS Aten on behalf of the NSN-IM. Itu ekta declare kurikina sign kurisa. Itu tu Naga reconciliation, a journey of common hope. Journey of common hope. 20 August 2011 te collective leader Khan pura sign kurisa. 20 August 2011 Isakchi Shisu the President NSN-IM Brigadier Retired S. Shinya President FGN General Retired Khole Konya President GPRN NSN itu ekta sign korise aro 10 that ole the Naga Concordant. The Naga Concordant. It August 26 or 26th August 2011 ako collective leader tinta group major collective leaders mathakane ahikena sign kurobo koikena tate Naitu resort Dimapur te sign kurise General Retired Khole Konyak President G. Karen NSN and Kitovi Jimomi Ato Cleanser G. Karen NSN Brigadier Retired S. Shinia President FJN Zopra Vero Gidalo Vice President FJN Isakchi Shisu NS President G. Karen NSN IM and T.H. Moiva, General Secretary NSNIM, the Naga Concordant. Itu pachata an open statement to the Naga people. 3rd December 2011, Naga public local collective leader Khan his Sankura declared concordant Sankura chapter working committee group can be an open statement to the Naga people Koikena General Retired VS Atem NSNIM Mr. Zopra Vero Vice President FJN Mr. Ajato Chopi Senior Leader G. Karen NSN 3rd December 2011 sign koriছে আৰু এটো পাছতে statement of record 9th January 2012 9th January 2012 তে আমাখান কি কৰি কেনা আছে এটো আমাখান মঞ্জুৰ হৈ কেনা নাগা generation itu puri kena jabo nimiti ora jani kena thakbo nimiti ekta declaration dibo an open statement to Naga people to the Naga people tate 3rd December 2011 te borse itu tu retired General VS Atem Mr. Zopra Vero and Mr. Ajato Chopi Aroita 9th January Lagatu Isakchi Shisu. It is the highest level Prasan Kurajade. It is an open letter 3rd December to Kuratu collective leader Khan Pura permission Dikina, Amakan Pura Azad Dikina. Joint working group Purato Amakan hi leader Khan hi Zankina Korea say itu statement of record 9 January 12 Isakchi Shisu Chairman NSNIM General Retired Khole Konyak President G. Karen NSN and Mr. Zopra Vero Gidalo FGN NNC. Aro itu pachade aro ekta joint statement 14 February 2012 tate ekta joint statement joint working group ra sign kurise Mr. Zopra Vero Mr. C. Simpson Mr. V. S. Atem itu pachade the London agreement 28 March 2014 the London agreement dole Isakchi Shisu General Retired Khole Konyak Brigadier Shinya T.H. Moiva and Kitovi Jimomi Zopra Vero inika naga milabo ki olbi milagene jabo pato 14 tons manu akete Isor akete inika leader Khan his sign kurise leader Khan he on behalf taikan represent kurubole member patha joint working groups taikan sign kuruse itu sob milagana 14 times nagadu milagana jabo bila sign kuruse 28 March 2014 day to 3rd August 2015 to NSNIM prato le iman san kurkina hatu pahurkina taikan akila jaikana government of India logo framework agreement koikana sign kurule shede iman sign kurato sob dustbin te phala dise juwa kete naga kete and for the posterity generation to come itu kan sob ji janbola kagos tu eta asede to India logo kotha nakura kete naga tu milabo koikana 14 times naga people sakete jihuwa kete iman san kurikana covenant of reconciliation sur kurikana 30% kurikana last Lenten agreement itu top leader khan san kurikana to itu pahuri jaikana 3rd August 2015 te I am a government of India to taratari framework agreement sign correlation. Only 2016 August 26 eku honai 2017 August 26 eku honai itu berarti takkan agreement sign kurkena eku outcome nai itu framework agreement implement no kurkena itu tu naga manke pakla kore laga ase ahibi dosra party kiman aso amagan sob milakena hi India logo hussal laga kotha kurubo hoikena Nagaland GB Federation aro NTC hi amakan ake picha kurkena naga political group kiman ase amakan milakena kotha kuri sabo I am aro government of India majoda kotha puratu lukai kena rakhi loise enika amakhan loi kena rangkhang te gira dire nohobo amakhan itu janibo lagibo koi kena agree position sign kurise de itu kekyo lebi naga future to bacha lobo ba to different political group IGP isor pura morom kurukena sob jinda asedi aja amakan khushi kurikena ete jama kuru ase ete political groups leader kiman ete jama kuru ase under NNPG working committee God has a certain purpose on you apna kan opor aro amakan opor isor laga program ta asedi etu nimti NNPG working committee hi 2017 te agree position sign kurato kile kurishole 2015 te government of India aro NSNIM majote framework agreement sign kurule be eko awazi nai ki sign kurushe itu bi nazani eto bra no hobo eto future generation laga kotha ase ke ole bi kala boka with the transparent and having transparency amakan kotha kurubo lage koikena NNPG form kurikena working committee constitute kurikena itukani government of India logo 17 November 2017 te agree position sign kurise itu agree position itu parameter ke bohikena negotiation to 52 times negotiation kurise 2017 18 19 aro 2019 31st October te negotiation to khatam hoise koikene ite eku kotha bolibole thaka nai kite jaldi amakan ke solution dibo itu rikhatamte NSNIM kan pura 2020 te negotiation khatam hoa chate flag TV constitution TV নহলে তো solution নলব এটো দুইটা নহলে solution নলব কইকেনা এটো 6 সাল টাইমকেনা আছে tani ahile bi flag constitution to direct flag constitution ko ekona to napabo inka hoi japra to itia to tai kan logo flag constitution notbo ko to government of India pra ko to ama working committee NNPG pra ko no hai to itia to 3rd August tai kan hi solution framework agreement pura 2 साल complete हुआ 3rd August de IM laga president pura NNPG logo to namlabo solution to kurobo olebi kitabi NNPG logo to namlabo ko tai khan to aji pran hode 2015 prior luka kene jaise tai khan ama khan majote nagati milai kena future banabo ko kena 14-15 times agreement sign kurkena ase itu lukai kena 2015 3rd August de India logo framework agreement sign kurse eko implement kurbola na pare ki sign kurse ama khan nohagna tai khan majote bi na jane 3 jon 4 jon bi jane ase to aji tu naga public sob raske golo bi solution kurbi और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया भी अलग दी हिला हिली हो जाए सॉल्यूशन तो ग्रुप लगे इतने तो ताई kan तो सॉल्यूशन लो ग्रुप बिले कोबले रास्ता ना था pra NNPG लोगो तो कितने भी मिला के ना सॉल्यूशन लोगों को है NNPG लोगो मिला ले तो एकदम डेंजर आसे को है और भी NNPG pra कोबले तो IM तो एकदम हार्मफुल आसे तो NNPG may be danger for NSN-IM, but it is undeniable fact that NSN-IM is harmful for Naga people. Itu logo milabo na paribo, kwatu amakani ko bole laga ase to, ulta tai kani ko ase, kile mani NNPG kwatu Naga national political groups. और नागा पीपल तो सब NNPG आसे नागा को तो खाता प्राय नागा को आसे और नागा फुल फॉर्म ते तो नागा नेशनल पॉलिटिकल ग्रुप्स आसे तो IM खान इतु लोगों ने मिलाबो बोले ताई खान अकेला को जबले आसे जाफी कुन ही ताई खान के रुखा आसे अमा खान तो आजीबी सॉल्यूशन लोबले रेडी इतो IM खान पूरा flag constitution mangi thake isu notile solution nokrobo ko ekana aji to NNPG logo milale solution nolobo ba to kali ki kobo san gulbi hebron ten aile san nokrobo kobo parade nole ite to polabole rasta nai sida solution lobole mon nai kobo lage kile mani solution lose gole danger ase tai kan to they have massacred thousand innocent naga man hazar man dishe to aro maki 1000 mata na thakina widow bna dishe to 1000 bacha orphan bna dishe to baba na thakina aro ite solution kurusha hole independent bin hobo sovereignty no hobo freedom bin hobo integration bin hobo ki la solution kurobo aro muria khan गोल मन पूरा आमा बाबा तो इंडिपेंडेंट निम्ति मुल्के ना से इंडिपेंडेंट पाल न बोले आमा बाबा के खुरा दी आमा बच्चा तो इंटीग्रेशन निम्ति मुर्शे तो इंटीग्रेशन नाई बोले आमा बच्चा खुरा दी को बोले से तो ताकन तो so it has become danger for NSN-IM to go for solution. It is going to be very harmful because NSN and GPRN or NNPG, NSN, GPRN, IM or NNP majoto alak ase de. Ama NNPG to hole naga ko sab nimti ase. NNPG to there was some misinterpretation. Manukan babna pura ulta poise kuch NNPG to Kali Nagas of Nagaland Lagasa Kochi to Misate Day. Kakos Burapobo. There is an unexpected Kitabi Bhatna Nukura Laga provision Nagas of Manipur Nimti Ashato. There is a very big provision, unexpected provision for Nagas of Arunachal. To Kinka NNPG to Nagas of Nagaland Lagase, Lekuni Kwase. Olepe NSN IM Lagato Ole Taikan it a solution to Kunba Exxon Dijon personal private Lagasato. So how can we sell together? Taikan Quatum Usabasha, Misanokwa. It will be dangerous to sell with NNPG. Amakantu Naga shop Nimti Kwasa, Taikantu individual Nimti Kwasa, Taikan Majotebi. I mean 100% guarantee diase, Taikan Majotebi, Taikan Naga framework competency to 9% to Nazande. Kali Tinjon Charlton is an Ashade. Aro, it 12 days back. NSN IM President Q to Pra. Kitabi NNPG Logon Labo, Kitabi Naga Logon Labo Pato, Time Okos Pra Lagana Lekan Noede, he was made to sign. Amiguasade, Kunba Leka Lekina, San Kulu Pabla, San Kulu Sagasade. To President Q to get blame Kurbolebe Nabarebo. He may not be forced, but he was made to sign. Ari kitabi kotabi kuranai naga logo no milabo kitabi solution to naga logo no milabo koya kun logo milagino kurobo kun nimti kurase clear ase tinjon charjon nimti ase kintu NNPG ajinka bobo naga 79 independent dinte kurase kalibi milagina ase ajib milase taikan koilebe amakan laga hat inka khulkena ase Rati te olebi din te olebi kemal parta aibo amakantu naga tu milagena ni thaibo lagbo solution napaile bi naga tu milagena thaibo lagbo aro solution lobo koile naga kile no milabo aro taikan kile naga lobo milabo le mon nai ko tu taikan naga secret ajanta thake ase jeto ekdom clear ase so ami inka bobuman ase kun bi discourage no korbo lage ekjon duijoni koi thakile bi tai je isolate kora laga ase de nole NNPG all other political parties are intact and we are eagerly anticipating for solution to tai kan hi ko apna naga khan sob polta korbole nohoy to nimite tai kan pabi ekjon duijon pura ko ase NSN IM te thaka sob manu pura ko abi nohoy etu nimite dosra member khan to NSN te kam pura dosra member khan to dosra sab khan to amakan laga dosman chana na pabi bolage amak sob ama naga manu bahi ko ase bohini dite ase amakan milakene jabole ase Kalbi milagena ase, ajbi milase, ahadin debi milagena jabo. Itu nimti working committee NNPG laga political philosophy inclusive. Kita boleh bi inclusive kurikena jabo le ase. Itu nimti honorable members kan. Cuman manu punya ase, apne akila takila bi naga tu milabo lagi deh. Aro solution paile bi na paile bi naga tu milagena thakbo le laga. To NNPG laga main political agenda amakan laga slogan ase naga to ke ole bi milagena jabole ase boina apna kan so muk pura itu kotha kena kotha koi kena jaile bhalo hobo le to ajiblo pura khushi kena man ke kotha jana dia ase wa humaite kunba kunbo mon na thakse boile khimai kuru dibi ole bi ki koise in record ase itu nimti husa laga to kobole ta me hoise boina itu jana dia ase record lobo mon ase boile print out kuru kena dibo nimti ama certificate ke contact kurbo parebo koknalem thank you
ami san laga container pra NNP's working committee laga convener bra bishi balbra koi dise tate chobole mon nai aru ami khanda speech pi no korba time save korbo karani ekta duita aha to greetings chana aji milagina ami khandu first time to naga independence day aji milagina hai to celebrate krasi teta bra apni honge face dikhagina iniga se koi bole hai aside ami khandu for ami khandu NNP thakse NNP thakse aro NNP just thakse ami khan kile naga manu to ami khan lan jala right bisar thakle no hobo naga manu right bisar bo lagibo injur faction de si thakle injur la faction de considerate ko thakle no hobo naga manu kare de kam korbo lagibo itu idet ami khan injur thakle to no hobo to naga manu ko de monjur asa da de jabo milabo पहिला देखि म कहि दिसे हामी खान इन्डिभिजुअल के सबले मन थका पुरा इन्डिभिजुअल के एकदम सुगु जला पुरा हामी खान तो नमिलिबो गानो न नागा लगा कथा আছে মই খান তো এফোর্ট করব না পারবো আলাদা আলাদা থাকি বললে তো ইতো পুরা ইনজর লাকি কে রাইট থাকলে বি আমি খান তো ইনজর লা রাইট করে নে খেলা নই দে আমি খান তো নাগা মান করে না আছে ইতো পুরা নাগা মান তো ইউনাইট করে না एकता गुणना एकता वॉइस प्रा जाबो लागि ने होतना आमी खान NNP आरो NNP जिस कथा करसे आरो कथा करगेना थ्रो आमी खान बि कम्पेटेन्सी सासे दे आमी खान बि देमान आसे इतो बरा ताते NNP लगा देमान तो कम्पेटेन्सी आमी खान ला पॉइंट्स तो इतो बि नागा मन करेने बालुला अनि इतो मिलाइगेना है नहले तो NNP is a great person for that. That milai dibi, that milai na can be killed to hojo. With the hope that NSA can be framework agreement as a Tahan framework agreement, Tahan Karene Roto. Tahan Juti, Nagamanu Karene, Babna Gutagleto. Framework agreement to NSA La Noe, framework agreement to Nagamanula, say Guleto, Milabula Getona. A little bit Tahan La say the Shadow. It was a Nagaman Miligan as day. আমি খান ভাল আছে কোৱা নাই বলে বি আমি খান লাগি গলতি বি থাকিব নো পঞ্চা বি থাকিব বলা বলে বি হুদাই দিন গাছ ওপৰতে বহিগে না গাছ ওপৰতে বহিগে না মিলিব আহিবি উঠিবি কত নহব তো মিলিব গলে তো ইটো না মিলিব লাগা আছে তো গাছ ওপৰতে আপুনি উঠিব উঠিগে না বহিগে না সব মানে মিলিব থাকান তো ওপৰতে উঠিবি কত নহব তো মিলিব গলে তো না গাছ লা নিচেতে নামিব লাগিব গ্ৰাউণ্ডে নামিব লাগিব গ্ৰাউণ্ড পৰে बुरा बुरे बच्चा सब ऑल वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ लोग बुरी ना दरबा मिली बोले परे का सपोर्ट है बोहिगे ना माने के माटले तो न हो तो न मिलो को ऐसे इतन छना आजी एग्रीड पोजीशन गुरगे ना थका दे आमी खान भी तो ताते भी आमी भी एग्रीड पोजीशन दे दाखिसे दे उलाई जायसे दे अले भी पछे दे आमी खान भी एग्रीड पोजीशन दे बाल बर जाना आमी खान भी एग्रीड पोजीशन दे कंट्रीब्यूशन भी गुरगे ना ina gunata great position to bhalas naga man kareni bhalas not only for the nagas of Nagaland man kan to bhabe te misinterpret kurina najana khan poru lebi bhal pra itu time dibole na para khan pra hai misinterpret kurina nagas of Nagaland karene so bhal pa puri sabina a great position to nagas everywhere so man karene so to embrace kuru lagibo to na miligena ikilo te grupo bato itu dura government of India bra talk to complete crucial to ami khana ajo dibole monta to talk to complete crucial bole bikle complete no kore aro ki rukhi ase itu hai best time bole naga man bole this might be the best time for all naga people to unite aro solution and bole itu par hoise bole to India la loss hoje naga man to khil থাকিব একো নহয় le India la loss hobo itu right to be janai diase pole dani kan naga army training loge na ekdom duk kuri na ami khan lai to training master ami la training master ida ami khan la chief hoje general ho to bi diase taikla muje mara ne saman muje mara আমি খান ট্রেনিং লৈ কেনে একদম দুপুৰা হাতানতে এলুমি ওচৰতে একটা আমাৰ পৰা অৰেঞ্জ ইমান বেছি বিক্ৰী কৰি থাকিছে আমি খান কিনি ল'ব পইচা বিকি থাকিছে আমাৰ এইটো অৰেঞ্জটো বিক্ৰী কৰি দিবি না কৈছিলে তুমি খান যে চব বিক্ৰী কৰিছিলেতো আমি কি বিক্ৰী কৰিব বজাৰতে আমাৰ এতিয়া আছেতো নাই 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 আমি বজাৰতে বিক্ৰী কৰিলে আছে তুমি খান যে চব বিক্ৰী কৰিলে আমি কি বিক্ৰী কৰিব কই না আমি খান কি হিচাপ কৰি না আমি খান 21 আছে এখা itu na eksom mezul mongot dirok ding ngap na hisab kuri na mi kan ki mi ki kha khali 21 ha mi kan ki ara tai to bigir ko ami kan bi kine asoli tai itun shana kunba manu to naga solution hole ki kuri thakibo naga solution hole ki kuri thakibo takhan karane to kunba karane to solution no hai solution asne ki solution ho jaye to काम ना থাকিব নাকি নাগা সলিউশন হলে সব ইকি হৈ যাব তো সব মানে ইকি হৈ যাব ইকি লতে হৈ যাব এতৰা কোনবা তো সলিউশন নহয় কিনা তা খালে ডাঙৰ হৈ থাকিব বুলি মন আছে নেকি নহলে তো সলিউশন হলে তা খান বহিবলৈ জায়গা না থাকিব নাকি সলিউশন হলে তো তা খান কারণে ভাল নাই নাকি নাগা কারণে ভাল আছে না না ভাবি কেনা থাকিয়ে নাই নাগা বি হৈ থাকিব ইনেগা তো থাকিব তো ব্রা আমি খান সব জানি কেনে হে কিনা করে না নাগা মানুষ তো মানুষ নাগা থাকলে কিনা করে মানুষ নাগা মানুষ মিলি কেনা থাকিব ইটো জায়গাতে আমি খান তো ইমান হৈছে এনে বিজনেস হৈছে করে তাইতে প্রায় এইটো কাফে আছে নব কেনা নাগা মানুষ সব কি রিচ আউট করে গেলে ইমান মানুষ আছে মানুষ খান দুইটা তিনটা লদি রিচ আউট করে সকলে তো নাগা মানুষ আমি খান পছন্দ করা না একদিন তো সব মিলি কেনে সলিউশন লেগে যাইব পারব না ইটো মেসেজ আপনার সব দিয়ে আছে থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ
আজি ইমান ডাঙৰ দিন নাখা ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেন্স ডে 79 itu celebration working committee NNPGs laga naam de ikilot celebrate koribo para karone ishor laga naam de amahan laga bhugan de ucha kori di ase aro apunar sob ke abi revolutionary salute di ase August 1947 de Naga National Council Pioneers Canberra Indian agi de ekin agi de independence declare hua ito laga rasta de amangan be achi de ikilot jama korigina একটা দুটা বলি শেয়ার করবলে টাইম পাইছে আমার ইডো লিডার্স কান্ট্রি ইডো ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স ডিক্লেয়ার হওয়া লাগানো তখন থ্রু টেলিগ্রাম পয়লা কেবল দো টেলিগ্রামে থাকিছে তো গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়া ইউনাইটেড নেশন অর্গানাইজেশন আর কিং অফ ব্রিটেন গে আমাগো ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট আছে দে কোনা তখন declare kori dise iniga hoina ha omode life sacrifice korea kan china de burma de east pakistan de aro eta amar home country de bi life kiman good de sacrifice korina থাকে আছে ইটো খান লাগা আত্মা গে আমাখান ইটো তাখান লাগা মন শান্তি কৰি দিবি আত্মা শান্তি কৰি দিবি না কৈ আছে আৰু তাখান লাগা ফ্যামিলিজ মেম্বার খান কোন খান ইয়াতে আৰু লাইফ আছে ইটো খান লাইফ তো ঈশ্বৰ পৰা তাখান গে প্ৰসপাৰাছ কৰি দিবি আৰু লাইফ লম্বা ৰাখি দিবি না দিবি কৈ দি আছে Oi 17 November 2017 de a great position puna lagado table de boigina negotiation table de bohado holi amakan enin beaches ko kan boise holi bi ido noha akibra 2016 bra for naka travel host political organization set up kiman civil organization set up kiman ase itu sob logot consolidation regina he negotiation start kura continue thuk kudum nukura tak ke sob itu civil organization tribal hugos kan sob logot miligina he amakan itu negotiation agreed position to bunda ase de itu amakan ini business kan berahe bunda noy tadi tribal leaders itu more than 10 years 2017 bra itu ahado sawole ida civil itu organization side the president secretary be change kuri thakibo hoile bi amakan eki logoti ase de tadi sob amakan miligina he kura laga ase itu bra public kan bra bi ida do amakan ki program bunai kena ase itu declare final declaration hule laga do time bungji ase na ke hawa sulo le phalo buna ke enka big hoi di ase aro hoi amakan nicho enka sub civil organization do be amakan yadi national leaders kan sub miligina agreed position buna thaka obodi hole kun gibi dictate kuri dibuli mona de public hanbra be dictate kuri boli nedibe hawa solabe itu be ekta koi ase aru dusra organ ida amakan edo agreed position ase NEC naim kan bi framework ase amakan nisina mon sapa thakigina thaki suguli thaka bi nakha karone thok pura ase amakan bi nakha karone thok pura ase to amakan to ahi bi eki logot edo tadi kaman sa una kaman solution logo ahi bi ase takan inin bigis logo to hilen milabo itu nai kwa laga do takan do concept to nakha brothers sisters nisina takan bi concept di asina nai takan ki bhabana bra amakan logo itu milabo le laga kwa ase itu be ekta bhabana ase aro amakan ida final settlement hobuli laga do hoile ida kondo agreed position di base kurigina amakan ida political solution lobuli ase itu hi amakan naka karone final settlement kuribuli agreement do ido ase de dusra ko hamre tamor kotha bolibe final settlement hobuli laga ida ki amakan agreement mone political solution lobuli ase itu hi hobo itu bra dusra kan group kan brabe ekjon criticize nokore na idia ki agreement bunai thaki ase dage itu final solution do hobule ahi sibuli phalo bunage itu he koi ase short time disi do dage kuda kore ase amakan sob aru miligina ekta e horina takat pra aru final solution do hobule karone ruki thaki boli boile koknale
agree position la kotha bi koi gina ase nokobo NNPC formation bi kina kuri gina ase bi nokobo ita short and come latest development thaga ekta duita ko bole mona ase to ami kan 2016 bra agree position gunai gina 19 te complete kuri gina ahatam te ami kan saben NNPC thakse तो चारटा पाँचटा ग्रुप तो नाहिकिन आमी खान एकदम मनदुख थाक्से होले भी आज 2025 ते आरो आमी खान लगते चारटा पाँचटा ग्रुप NSN खामो NSN आगातो NNC तीनटा चारटा ग्रुप थाका खान भी आरो आइकिन आमी खान NNPC लगते मिलगिन आइकि लगते आमी खान के डिफरेंसेस थाकले भी खान सब पाहरिगिन छाड़गिन Naga younger generation future nimte ami khan miligina age jabo hoigina ahai ja nimte ami aro ekbar tai khan ki aro respect de ase aro thanks de ase second point to inega ase ama khan ekta family te baba ama thake chogra chogri thake baba ama ekla thakse gole itu family incomplete ase nole bi chogra chogri ekla thakle itu family incomplete ase ole bi baba ama छोकरा छोकरी थाकिले ही इतु ही फैमिली को पारे इतु निशना आमा खान आज NNPC बनाई देना थागा दो के ला सिचुएशन के ला हवा पानी पाइले भी दुख सुख के पाइले भी आमी खान एक जन न छाड़ के ना Ami khan la goal, ami khan la target. Agi de kya si tu no pancha tak tu milgine kilo ko de jabo ko gina. Ami la ko thai man to is correct. Thank you.
Today, on this auspicious occasion, the working committee NNPG, under the able leadership of our convener, Sir N. Kedovi Jomomi, had been very vocal and instrumental for unity and peace among the different Naga political factions. Let us not forget that NNPGs had gone through many formal and ups and downs, tumults and ups and downs. But due to the sheer determination of our sir, we have come thus far. Today, we hope that in the near future, those who have not joined the NNPGs will come and join hands with us for Nagas. As desired by the Nagas, let us all come together and check our differences and stand by the agreed position that has been signed for the Nagas. The NNPG, under the dynamic leadership of Sir N. Kedovi Jomomi, convener, NNPG will stand as one till our dreams for Naga cause is fulfilled. Let us not forget that it's with the blessing of people and God that we will achieve our dreams. Let me end my short speech by quoting Abraham Lincoln: "United we stand, divided we fall."
Today, we gather here just not to mark on the calendar, but to honor the courage, vision and sacrifices of those who came before us. On this day, our leaders proclaim to the world that the Nagas are free people, a people with our own history, our own identity, and our own destiny that reminds us of our roots. The mountains and the valleys, they have shaped our lives. The customs and tradition that have bound us together, and the spirit of resilience that has carried us through trials and storms. Naga solidarity is not merely a slogan. It is a lifeline of our future. In unity there is strength. In division there is weakness and loss. Our ancestors stood together from the highlands to the plains, from the east to the west, speaking with one voice for the dignity of the Naga people. Today, we too must speak with the same voice. Let us remember, solidarity is not about ignoring our differences. It is about respecting them while working together towards a shared vision. Our tribes, dialects and customs are diverse, yet they form the beautiful mosaic of Naga identity. We are like the many threads of a shell, each unique, but woven together to make something strong and enduring. As we look to the future, let us commit ourselves to preserve our culture and heritage, passing them to next generation, stand for justice, truth and peace. Work together for economy, social and spiritual growth. Dear brothers and sisters, the world changed fast, but our calling remains the same. To live as one people, united in purpose and steadfast in hope. Let us not only remember our past, but also shape our future together. May our hearts be renewed with courage, our minds with wisdom, and our spirit with unity. Today is not just another day. It is the day our elders declared to the world that the Nagas are free people. It is the day we remember who we are and who we must continue to be. We may speak different dialects, wear different shawls, and come from different villages. But we are one family. Just a single tree has many branches, but one root. Our forefathers stood together with courage and faith. Some gave their lives so that we could stand here today. Let us honor them by keeping our unity alive. Let us not be divided by small things, but be united for big change. A future where our children can live with dignity, peace and pride as Nagas. The dream of an independent Nagaland was born from the courage of our forefathers. But along the way, this unity among our leaders has slowed our march to the freedom. When we stood as one, our voice was strong and unshakable. But when we became divided, our strength was scattered, and others took advantage of our differences. Independence cannot be achieved when brothers turn against brothers. Only through unity, understanding, and common vision, we can complete the journey our pioneers began. Let us remember, a divided house cannot stand, but a united people cannot be defeated. May the Almighty bless our land, guide us with wisdom, and keep our people strong in spirit and purposes. So today, let us stand together, tribe with tribe, heart with heart, and say with one voice, Kugnali. Thank you.
So that was the 79th Naga Independence Day celebrated here, observed here at Kehoi Camp, the GPRN NSCN headquarters in Newland District, where Nkito Vizhimomi was the chief guest. And as mentioned earlier during the introduction, that many other groups such as Akato Chopi and NNC and also other groups that joined hands with the working committee of the NNPGs in June 2025. The NNPA, to be precise, had joined hands with him. Now, as you have seen, the speech was very fiery of Nkito Vizhimomi, and of course his claims and accusations to the NSCN-IM was very concrete and his stand very firm. We just finished also having media interaction with Nkito Vizhimomi. Now the future lies with the youth, as he has also spoken to the media just now, and also that the ball is in the court of the government of India. We'll just have to wait and see now what is going to happen in the next few weeks, maybe months, or in the near future. What is going to happen in regard to the scenario of not just Nagas of Nagaland, but the inclusivity of Nagas of Manipur as well as Arunachal. Esther here with camera person Tamjan for Nagaland News Network.